Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin immediately by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and the sensor is clean because inconsistent reads cause failures. Once done, open Settings and go to Security and Privacy or Biometrics and Password depending on your Realme UI version. Then choose Fingerprint and tap Add Fingerprint. This launches the enrollment flow. You're starting the first actionable steps to record your fingerprint, so follow on-screen prompts and place different parts of the same finger as requested. Now you'll execute the detailed enrollment. Place the finger on the sensor and lift repeatedly, changing angle and pressure so the phone captures the pad, edges, and tip. This creates a complete fingerprint template. Make sure to include slightly shifted positions each time, otherwise partial data can reduce reliability. If the UI asks for more scans, continue until it reaches 100%. Also consider adding a second finger or an alternate hand for convenience and redundancy in daily use. Finish by turning on Fingerprint Unlock specifically for lock screen and any other toggles such as App Lock. This links the saved template to unlocking. Lock the phone and test unlocking 3 to 5 times. This verifies reliability. If it works, you're done. If you see inconsistent reads, make sure to clean the sensor, re-enroll the same finger or add another finger, and check for system updates because software fixes can restore recognition accuracy. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.